In this video tutorial, we'll review how to use your recipe collection. In your recipe collection, you will find an assortment of delicious recipes your practitioner has put together just for you. These recipes will keep you inspired and help you achieve your health goals. All of these recipes have been selected based on your needs. Get started by adding a couple of new recipes from this collection into your regular meal rotation. You can use the filters to find what you need. Looking for a breakfast recipe? Use the breakfast tag. You can scroll through the filters to see what's available to you. To open a recipe, click on it. You will see the total time, the number of servings, ingredients, and directions. You can slide the serving slider up or down to scale the recipe to meet your needs. Making more than one serving is a great opportunity to cook once and eat multiple times. You can also check the notes section to see how long each recipe lasts in the fridge. Make enough food to make leftovers for the next day or double a recipe to last for a few days. This is a great habit that will save you time and money. Please note, baked goods and single-serving dishes like omelets are best made in their original number of servings. Before you start preparing your food, check the ingredients list. See if anything needs to be prepared in advance, like dicing vegetables. It's also helpful to read through the directions before you start cooking so you have an idea of what to expect. Lastly, to go back to your home page, click on the top left. If your practitioner has made any additional resources available to you, they will be linked under attachments. And that's how easy it is to use your recipe collection.